Yan.
Yan.
Ngayon pa lang kami magluluto ng turkey. Say hello, hello. Hello! Happy Thanksgiving! Ayan. Our, ano nga, 14 pounds na turkey. Ha? 14 pounds na turkey. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Sabi niya. Ang aming turkey. Ayan.
What is this? Yan ang tubig eh.
Pag ganyan mo na ano.
May tubig.
It's okay kasi may ano naman kaya nandyan yan. Huwag mo itapon to kasi nandyan yung instruction. Ipadiretso mo hanggang dito gino. Ipaganon mo, huwag mong gupitin. I-slide mong ganyan. Ayan.
What is this?
Kasi yan na yung ano niya, yan yung parang juice niya na pangluto. Ayan. Ay! What is that? You wanna touch it? Oo. Natakot siya din. Touch it.
What's that?
Natakot siya, Bing. That's turkey. You're gonna eat that later. Natakot siya. Don't touch it. Turkey!
Don't touch
Yay!
it. Look. He needs to wash his hands if he touches.
Ay, hindi mo pa nahugasan kamay mo? Okay.
No, if you're touching it, because you're gonna get salmonella.
No, naghugas na ako ng kamay ko. Oh. You're not gonna touch it because you don't wash your hands. Because this will go inside the oven.
Turkey. What does a turkey say? Turkey.
Takot siya. Takot siya. Ano yan? Tama.
That's your food. You're scared of your food.
Natakot siya sa turkey.
What's wrong?
Excuse siya sa'yo.
What's wrong with the turkey?
Punasan mo yung kamay mo. At touch mo yung turkey. Fresh na turkey. Ayan o. Ayan. Oo, magtulog-tulog dyan. Magtulog-tulog.
Natakot ka? Punasan natin ngayon para malinis siya, ha?
Dito lang, oh. Now?
Who's that? You don't like the turkey?
You don't like the turkey? Huh?
We're gonna cook this.
Turkey.
Okay, bye turkey. Bye. You're gonna go inside the oven. Bye. We're gonna put some,
We're gonna prepare this turkey. We're gonna eat this
i-feel natin
later.
siya, ha? Okay, sige na. Bye. Natakot ako sa turkey. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Maganda ito kasi mali.
Say hello. Happy Thanksgiving. Yan.
Maganda ito kasi
Bye.
young to young.
Young turkey. Okay.